My screen is visible. Respond all of you. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Just okay. Respond quickly. Those who joined, all of you inform to your friends. Inform them to join immediately. 5th hour.
Coding class is still going on, sir. Previous class.
Divya, end.
Last class coding class is still going on, sir. So few members are there in that. Sir. 5 minutes they will be
Parallelly,
joined.
coding class also is running now.
Previous class, sir, still not ended, sir.
Okay. Now time is 5 minutes gone. Ended. Class is over. 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any idea strength? What about the strength?
27, sir. 28, sir.
Not now. The previous class.
Coding is only for registered students, sir. Before
Okay.
the exam has been conducted, sir.
So third hour is exam.
Yes, sir. Weekly exam, sir.
Okay. That's why maximum are present at that time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So inform them those who are absent. Your friends, if anybody is there, inform them as early as possible. They have to join in the class now. OC hour. Immediately inform them. Everyone should join here. This is online. You are staying at home, but not attending the classes. Inform them immediately. This is an important class today also. Alice also inform to your friends. Ali 2, 3, 4, 7, 9 is here only. 11. Who is 29?
Harika, sir.
Harika. She is absent today. She wrote exam.
Don't know, sir.
Who is 28? 28 respond.
Sir. Yes, sir.
29 present or absent?
Absent, sir.
Morning also she is absent.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, can able to share anyone her parent number? Parent numbers are with you.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. 58 present. Number 1. 1, 3, 4. 9, 10. 12. Inform them. అందరికి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి అమ్మ. మీ అడ్జసెంట్ నెంబర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఆబ్సెంట్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళకి చేయండి, కాల్ చేయండి. రీజన్స్ చెప్పండి. ఒకవేళ క్లాస్కి ఆబ్సెంట్ అయ్యారంటే ఎందుకో మెంటర్ కాల్ చేసి చెప్పానండి. If anybody is absent to this class, what is the reason? That reason you have to tell to your mentor. Otherwise, I will call now those who are absent. I will call to their parents now. Whether you are listening or not, that is secondary. You have to join without any disturbances. $35, $36, $37, $38, $39. I saw 5 members here in the college. 1 person in outside on the road. 6 persons are here. 6 plus 35, 41. What about remaining 20? In the morning, third hour, maybe in the weekly exam, 55 members present. Why are you not showing interest on listening the class? Now only you are doing festival, doing any work, or doing any job, or any health issues, any exams, any reason is there? Inform to your friends quickly. For me, don't come to class. Who is one? Number 1.
Sir,
What are the reasons why your friends are not coming for the class?
don't know, sir.
Anyone? Any reasons? Your known reasons? Anyone? You're not explaining in a clear way. Topics are not clear? Subject is tough or easy? Where is number 4? Number 10, 12, 15, 17 maximum she is absent. I don't know.
Sir, 7 present, sir.
Not 7, 17 I am asking. Inform them immediately. I will wait up to their joining. Whenever all will attend, then only I will take class. (26, 27, 29, 31, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38. Inform them, they will join. We will start the session. Any idea regarding previous class? Anyone? Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, కొంచెం రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి అమ్మా. వినిపిస్తుందని, వినిపించకపోతే వినిపించట్లేదని, అదర్వైజ్ విజిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అని ఇన్ఫార్మ్ రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి. ఎస్ సార్, నో, ఓకే ఇలాంటి చెప్పడానికి ఏమైంది? ఎక్కువ తిన్నారా, తినలేదా? తిని హ్యాపీ పడుకున్నారమ్మా? In the last class we discussed about a rise time budget. Rise time budget. Any doubt regarding rise time budget? Anyone? Very, very important topic this is. That's why I'm instituting you to attend the class. Whenever you can see your question paper, then only you can able to understand. Anyone is recording? If you are recording, I will not record. Here it is showing recording. Okay, record this one. Now we will go for this one again. Quick overview regarding this rise time budget. We have two types of budgets in optical system design. One is a link power budget, another one is a rise time budget. So in optical system design, we have different considerations. That is nothing but system considerations, or it may be point-to-point link. So how we can connect from one system to, or one device to, or one component to another component. That is point-to-point link. Next is system considerations. If you want to design one system, what are your considerations? That is nothing but what are your choices. So here I have different choices in the sources and connectors and fibers. So the first choice is source. It may be LED or laser. Where we are using LED, what is the operating wavelength? Where we are using laser, what is the operating wavelength? In the same manner, go for detectors. What is a detector? Types of detectors. Which one is better for long distance communication and short distance communication? What is the operating wavelength? And what about the parameters? Which one will give the best efficiency or best parameter values? In the same manner, cable, optical fiber cable. So we have step index and grade index cables. In that, which one is the better one? Which will give the less loss or less distortion, and which will give the high data rate and a high transmission distance and high cost. All those, low cost. All those are the best cables. So like that, we have to choose cable, source, detector is nothing but system choices or system consideration. It's already over. After taking those considerations, let us analyze the power. That is a physical considerations. Next is internal parameter considerations. The internal parameters are, one is power, another one is a time. The power analysis can be done by link power budget. In this link power budget, how much power is required, how much power is going to generate, which is a good system. Like that, we are going to analyze based on power calculation. In this link power budget, we are going to take all the losses. It may be splicing loss, it may be connector loss, it may be fiber loss. All those are going to consider here. So here we are using transmitter side, we are using sources. At the receiver side, we are using detectors. If you want, you may use, you may write this also. Detector, you may connect like this. Like this, you may connect one detector. This is photons, instant on this. This is symbol. Next is source. Here we are using source. This is the source we are using here.